Hi guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can post voice note on your WhatsApp status. How you can post WhatsApp voice note on your WhatsApp status. I'm going to be showing you guys how you can share voice recording as your WhatsApp status. So guys, if you want to know more, make sure you watch to the end of this video. And also if you're new to our YouTube channel, make sure you like, subscribe and leave a comment, as that will tremendously help grow our YouTube channel. So guys, posting WhatsApp voice note on your WhatsApp status is a new feature on WhatsApp. It's a new update. So guys, for you to do that, you first of all tap on your WhatsApp app to open it. So guys, once you open your WhatsApp, then you tap on the status section. You can see there, that's the middle one. You tap on it. So guys, the next step that you have to take is to tap on the pen and pencil icon. You can see there below. Just tap on it, the icon that you normally tap if you want to type a text and post on your status. You can see there, just tap on it. That's the icon I'm talking about. You tap on it. So guys, this is where the magic happens. Normally we are going to type in our text and post on our status, but this time around, for you to actually post audio on your WhatsApp status, to post your voice recording on your WhatsApp status, for you to do that, you have to tap on the microphone icon you see there. You can see the microphone icon on your right. So guys, for you to be able to make a voice note and post on your WhatsApp status, or make a voice recording, maybe where you're singing or where you're giving a lecture, for you to do that, you have to hold on the microphone icon that you're seeing on the right. That's the microphone icon. Some persons call it the audio voice icon. You have to hold on it for you to be able to record a voice note that you can post on your WhatsApp status. So guys, let me go ahead to hold on it. Let me show you guys what I mean. So guys, let me hold on the microphone icon so that you can get to know what I'm talking about. So let me hold on it. So guys, you can see now the recording has started. You can see. So let me go ahead to make a voice note now. You and I will live as one. You and I will live as one. Guys, don't laugh at my voice. I'm just singing for the purpose of this tutorial. So guys, let me leave it. So guys, you can see that immediately I removed my hand from the microphone icon, the voice note ended. So guys, before you post it, you can actually listen to the voice note to check if it's actually what you want. If you don't like it, you can tap on the delete icon there. You can see it. Let me tap on it. You can see that the WhatsApp voice note or the WhatsApp recording has been deleted. So guys, let me go ahead to record a new voice note. You can see that the voice recording have started. Wow, this new WhatsApp update is actually awesome. This voice record posting on WhatsApp status is awesome. So guys, you can take notice of this, that you can only record your voice for 30 seconds. For the meantime, WhatsApp has given us just 30 seconds to record the voice note and post on our status. So guys, this is how it goes. Let me let go of it. So guys, you can see now you can also change the color of your background, the background of your voice note. You can tap on the icon at the top right corner. You can see these are the features that you can also use. So guys, once you're done with your recording and you have checked that your recording is okay, what you have to do is to tap on the send icon, then to be sent to your WhatsApp status. But before you tap on the send icon, you can choose those that will view this status. You can choose those that can listen to your voice note by tapping on where you see status contact. You tap on it. You can see who can see my WhatsApp status update. You can either put it on all your contacts, or you can exclude some persons or include some persons. So once you're done with all of these settings, you tap on done. So guys, once you're done with all of the settings, then you tap on send. Let me go ahead to send it. So guys, you can see my WhatsApp status is sending. You can see it there. Let's wait for it to get uploaded. You can see status sent. So guys, let's go ahead to tap on my status. You can see now this is the voice note. People that tap on my WhatsApp status, they'll be able to listen to this voice note. So guys, I've come to the end of this video and I believe you've got value from this. If you did, make sure you like, subscribe and leave a comment. And also, if you're new to our YouTube channel, don't forget to hit the bell notification so that whenever I release a new video, you're gonna get notified. See you in our next upload. Bye bye. Peace.